Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In the last video, we have designed the homepage of our website successfully, and in this video, we will design contact us, about us and course landing page of our website. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. But before that, if you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch the entire video so that you can understand the concept very well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch the entire video. So let's get started. So here is our design that we have done in the last video. I'm pressing F to open a frame and click on desktop. I have created the frame here. We have already used the background color, so I'm going to copy that background color and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, we have successfully pasted the background color here. I will scroll down a bit. Okay, I'm going to copy the navigation menu and paste it on this frame. Before that, let's create a layout grid for our frame. Change the grid to columns and the count to 12 and center and the width of 20, and yeah, okay, now let's align them at the center. Okay, fine. Now we are in the about us of our website. Okay, so the navigation menu is ready, and the next thing we have to do is describe about us. So for that, I'm going to place an image on the right hand side. Before that, let's add some content. So align it at the center and give the what size we have used here. Okay, 50. So give them a size of 50. Let's go to our requirements and copy this image and paste it here. Okay, fine. And let's add some content. So let's change the size to 20. And change this to Roberto. Okay, now I'm going to use Lodium Ipsum font. So right click above that selected text and go to plugins and click on Lodium Ipsum. If you want to download Lodium Ipsum, just go to the community and type in Lodium Ipsum and go to plugins. The very fifth plugin will be Lodium Ipsum. Okay, click on that, and it's asking whether it should begin with Lodium Ipsum. Yes. And whether it should close the plugin after generating text. No. And how many words or sentences, paragraphs do you need? Okay, I need 5 sentences and it's going to generate me now. Okay, has generated 5 sentences, as you can see. Let's align it properly. Okay, I think I need extra more 5 sentences, so I will add extra. What? Okay, fine. So we will align them properly here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is create two rectangular frames. Okay, So reduce the size here. I will delete and duplicate this so that the height and width will be equal. Okay, fine. The next thing, just click on this and change the color of these two rectangles. Okay, which color? Okay, I will select this color for this one, and for this I will select this color. Okay, yeah, it looks fine. And the next thing, I'm going to add some text into here. So I think I don't need this loading Ipsum. Okay, let's add work with us. And change the to Roberto, no, outfit, and it should be bold, and let's give 35. Okay, fine, change this to outfit. Okay, good, this looks fine. Oh sorry, I haven't grouped them properly. Wait a minute, I'll just group everything else. Okay, first navigation, and then place the group to below that and rename as vision. And the next thing, the rectangle work with us, this needs to be above that. And let's change the work with us as read or block. Sorry, read or block. Okay, fine. Now let's copy this Lodium Ipsum text and place it here. Just adjust the content. Okay, okay, let's leave it as here. Leave it, no, we will just edit it. Okay, I think now it's fine. Yes, just duplicate this and paste it again here. Okay, fine, now we are all set. Okay, let's give them a corner radius of 5. Okay, now it's looks great. And the next thing, okay, so before that we will just group them. Something is wrong. Oh no, so take this out of here. Okay, look at this rectangle. Okay, just group them. I'm not going to name anything, just let it be as group 2. And the next thing, I think we will complete this very quickly. Just 2 contents need to be added. Just create a rectangular frame here, a rectangle, and give that a corner radius of 10. Fine, and then let's change the color of this to something like like this. Good, looks good. Okay, let's zoom in and write some text. Join our global community and start learning today. Okay, fine. Let's align it at the center and create a button below that. Okay, let's align it at the center and give them a corner radius of 5 and remove the fill color and give the stroke white color to the stroke and change the stroke to size of the stroke to 3. Zoom in and let's replace it a little bit up here and right, join now and make this properly, yes, and group them, name them as global community and place them below everything else. And the next thing we are just going to copy and paste it, that is the footer. Footer. Okay, let's place it here. It's centrally aligned. Okay, fine. I think it's good. No, let's make it inside this. Okay, so let's change the background color a little bit darker. Yeah, now we can see this footer line very clearly. I haven't noticed in the previous video, sorry. Okay, now I think everything is good, everything is aligned properly. Let's make these two footers below the global community. Okay, fine, and let's copy this background and let's place it somewhere here. Okay, I couldn't able to do. Okay, I have unlocked it, sorry, it's been locked. Okay, now I have placed it. Yeah, this looks fine, great. And next we have completed our about us page. Okay, let's change this to about us, and the next thing we are going to do is contact us. Let's create a frame and give it a color of the previous frames. I just copied and paste it. Yeah, fine. And let's create a layout grid, same as the previous one. Okay, fine. And next, just copy this navigation menu and paste it here, just like the previous one. Okay, fine. And the next thing, let's add some content here. Get in touch with us. Okay, let's change that to 55 and align it at the center. Okay, let's change this to Okay, we will change this to 50 because that's the size we have used in another frames also, in the remaining frames, I mean. Yes. Okay, let's add a rectangle here and give them a corner radius of 10. Check whether it is aligned properly. Yes, it is aligned properly. And change the color of that to can we make that as white? No. Okay, let's change the opacity. I think now it's fine. Okay, before that I want to import three of my icons to this. Okay, fine. Just go to plugins and select feather icons. This is also same. If you go to the community and search for feather icons, you can get the feather icons under the plugin section. So I need 3 icons. The first icon is location. Here it is. And the next one is called, got it. And the third one will be mail. Yeah. So I have successfully got all the icons. So I'm going to place them inside of this desktop one. Okay, now it looks fine. Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. So let's import them. Control plus zoom. Sorry, Control plus Z. Okay, wait a minute. So first is location, and then call symbol, and then mail. First we will select all 3 and give them 50. Oh no, sorry, I haven't checked this. Okay, and make them, okay, wait a minute, they are so thin, so we have to make them as bold. So I'm going to select this and giving them an extra boldness. Sorry, I think now it's fine. Wait a minute, I've given 4 for that. Let's be 3 because everything needs to be equal. I'm going to align them at the center. Oh, sorry, align them properly. Fine then, everything is fine. And the next thing, we are going to add an address, phone number and email address. So let's add a random address. 1A not St. George Street, Dublin. Okay, let's change the size to 20 and okay, let it be outfit. I think it's good. Okay, make this center alignment and give them a color of, I think black will be good. Okay, fine, and give them a phone number plus 353 923 XXX. Okay, the same for this. Make this as black and align them properly in the center of the icon. Fine. for the email address, we will give this as cliveacademy@gmail.com. Perfect. And now we need to give them a contact form. Okay, let's add some rectangular content here. This is for name. Okay, let's change the corner radius to 10 and write some text inside that. Okay, so let's change the color to somewhat dull. I think this is good. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, make this as 25. Okay, fine. Before that I will just align everything. Sorry, I will group them. Navigation bar and then grouping. Okay, fine. I'm going to duplicate everything here. I mean this rectangle and the content inside that. Oh, wait a minute. This rectangle is very big. I don't want this. Okay, let's add some content into this. Oh, sorry. Okay, change that to. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Now it's good. Now it's correct. Okay, sorry. Now it's correct. And I'm going to duplicate it multiple times. And a big rectangle down here for the message box. And give them an alignment. Align them properly. Okay, I will give it a corner radius of 10. Okay, let's edit this. Okay. And the last thing we are going to do here is we need to import a map. Let me finish this first here. Okay. Okay, so we will import a map here. Right click and go to plugins and select Mapsicle. Okay, open Mapsicle. Okay, let's zoom to 15. It's loading, so we will just do our remaining works. I don't know what happened to this. So I will just copy the footer and the footer menu, and I will place it here. Okay, wait a minute, I will open and close and open it again. Let's create a map, just random map. So I need to change my address, I think. So I forgot the latitude and longitude number of Dublin. So I will just go with San Francisco. I think I have left a large number of space here, so I will just copy, select everything, and I will place them a bit upward. Okay, fine. And let's copy this also. Why should we leave so much space? And fine. Now let's change this to San Francisco. Okay, fine. I think it's good. So our contact us, about us, these two pages have been finished, and the next thing is our course page, course catalog, different types of courses. Okay, so let's create our last page, that is the course page. Open a frame. Okay, copy the color code and give them here. Oh, sorry, I haven't copied the background. I want to place the background here somewhat. Okay, let's place it here because okay, fine, it will be here, because if you place somewhere else the text will be invisible. So let's, okay, just give them a name as contact us, and give this a name of course about us, and the contact us. Okay, I have grouped everything perfectly. Oops, sorry. Okay, let it be here. Okay, let's bring the background to the bottom. Okay, now let's come to our course page and create a layout grid. Let it be columns and give a count of 12. Color will be same, width will be 20 and jitter will be 70. Fine, copy the header, and instead of pricing I think we can put it as courses page. For every header I think I need to change. Let's change this bar also. Okay, and for this also. Don't worry, we will design the pricing page in a separate video, and also some additional pages for the checkout something, for the checkout page, etc. Okay, so for our course page, first we need to, first our header should be transparent. I think it's transparent, yes, but we need to add some content. Just copy this rectangle. I have duplicated and I'm going to place it here. Okay, make this rectangle below this, make this map into this map circle. Okay, now wait a minute, I will zoom in. Now I am going to stretch it fully, but the content will be in the center, don't worry about that. And let's change that corner radius 0 to for those in the top, make that as 0, and I think it's perfect. Yes, and let's add some content. Learn without limits. Okay, let's change the size to 50. Now it's aligned properly, and let's import some icons. Okay, I have copied and I have pasted it here. Let's resize this to somewhat like 450. I think now it's perfect. Yes, so okay, let's group them, name it as hero. And the next thing is we are going to create some course images. Explore our courses and let's write some trending courses. Sorry, trending courses. Sorry, I forgot to add something here. Sorry. Just now I have seen that. Sorry. There is no option to read the blog, only some contents here. So I need to give an option for reading the blog. So I'm giving read now and give that a color of something like this. Yeah, I think now it's perfect. And for this, let's make it join our team. And let's import a small icon here. Okay, fine. Okay, and change the color of this to something like this. Yes, perfect. Duplicate and place it here also. Okay. Okay, fine. So yeah, here is our course page. Okay, let's create a rectangle here. I think it's 100 into 100 into 100, like this as 200 into 200. No, I think 250 will be correct. Yes, 250. And okay, so let's add some content here. I need some images. I think it's not here. Okay, I will go to my browser and I think I need to, so wait a minute, I have Unsplash here in the plugins. Okay, let's search for UX design. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. Thank you Unsplash. And there is a trick here. Let's create another rectangle above this, and for that rectangle I'm going to give that a black color. It should cover entirely, and let's reduce the opacity. I think this is correct. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's correct. And I need an icon for the icons, and play option. See, if you click on this, the course will be played. Some trial courses for the reference, for sample. Yeah, for sample. Let's change the size to 50. No, I think give them a 70. Perfect. And inside those vectors I will give that as 4. Okay, for this I will give a name as UX design fundamentals. Okay, it's $10. This course, the price of this course is $10. Okay, okay, this is the course. Group them as now it's course. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this. Wait a minute, I need to change the width. I think I cannot place 4 courses here, so I'm going to place only 3 of them here. Let's give some space. Okay, fine. Okay, I need more space, some more space. Okay, now let's zoom out and see. I think it's perfect. Explorer courses, trending courses, and below that we will write something like top courses for you. Top courses for you. So we will give them the size of 50. Okay, so I think the size is very small. So I will give the size of 20. So I will just delete everything and I will duplicate it again. Okay, now I think it's fine. Yes, and next top courses for you, we will just do the same. Okay, scroll a little bit longer here, and that's it. We will just go and copy the footer. Fine. Okay, there is only one last thing we need to add. I think I have given so much space in between these two, so I will make it correct. Okay. Fine. So just one changes plus text. Okay, you need to give an option to export all the courses, so that's why I'm giving this. Okay, let's group this and duplicate this again and place it below this also. I think now it's perfect. Okay, now it's perfect. We have completed our course page also. Okay, I think you understood the concepts very well. By using this concept, you can also design for any types of website, just like for portfolio website or for any other companies or brand website as per your wish. So thank you for watching this video entirely. I hope this video gave you a very good understanding of how to design an entire website in Figma. Those who watched those two videos, congratulations on completing this. So that's it. So I will be releasing the third part, that is I will just design some extra more pages like separate course landing pages and checkout page and some pricing pages, etc. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, it's John Navin. Goodbye.